Hello guys and welcome to Uncle Bob's Saturday Jam. At kami po ang nagbabagang Dre. Yun. Yan. Hindi ko pa po nasasabi sa kanila, may greatest achievement po ako yung araw na ito. At gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Kasi po, ako po ay nakalagpas na sa 1,991 na stage ng Candy Crush. So, 1,992 na po ako ngayon. So, thank God, no? It's Saturday. Kaya, maraming blessings ang dumating yung araw na ito. Yan. Sige. Bang, hirap-hirap po, no? Kailangan isang move lang sa bugagin. Yan. So, Candy Crush. Okay, sige. So, we are now playing Name, no? Google Dolls. Yan. Sige, Name. Go. Pass me by, I still can't turn away. Cause all the dreams you never thought you'd lose, tossed along the way. Letters that you never meant to send, get lost and thrown away. And now we're grown-up orphans that never knew their name. We don't belong to no one, that's a shame. You could hide beside me and maybe for a while, don't tell no one your name. Shut up. I won't tell your name. Swap it. Ganda ba yun ito? The scars are souvenir I never use. The bus is never end. Yourself somewhere there. Did you get to be star? And I don't make you sad to know that's life. It's more than who we are. We grew up way too fast and all that. Nothing to believe. We was all become our history. I'm tired of songs you're playing on. I'm tired of radio. And I don't tell no one your name. I won't tell your name. Your name. No, don't tell your name. Yeah. think about all the time. I don't need the same. It's lonely when you want to come back down, and I don't tell your name. Dre.